Gold and silver both have seen a little drop yesterday. Specifically, silver has seen a good slump. Now trading at the support at $24 levels for silver and gold at 2008. So now what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The second update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Before we start, I would like to bring to your notice that please don't believe anyone imposing on my name or by anyone's name asking you money, claiming multiple X returns in a quick time. Remember, there is no shortcut to making money. It's only hard earned effort. It's only efforts which you can put. Even markets, remember, somebody who can give you 10x, 20x, 100x return in a quick time will do so with his own money, will not approach you for asking money. And I don't run any investment scheme. There is no such investment scheme which can give you multifold returns. So please don't believe anyone who is approaching you on my name on any social media platform. Please report them immediately. Wherever you see, wherever you come across such content where you find people claiming multifold returns or an investment scheme or anything, or even they approach you on my name imposing my identity, please report them immediately. This support I seek from you all. With this, let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now, see, gold has seen a good slump on the hourly chart, then retraced here, and now again trying to break. Now, these are two little red candles. You can see it is still falling shy of 2008. It is not willing to break past 2008, which is definitely a very good support. Now, it is important to note why it is retraced, why it is consolidated. See here, it traded outside Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands have expanded here. Now it is consolidated, and see the Bollinger Band support now situated at 2004 2005. This is a very good support. If it breaks below 2008, you will definitely see it heading till towards 2004 2005 zone, and below that it will break past 2000 also. So yes, if you see it trading, if you see gold trading below 2008, certainly you can remain short today. That is the first part. Now, if you look at the moving averages on the hourly charts, have crossed over trading with divergence, trading bearish as of now, and hence 2025 is the zone. If it passes by, then further bullishness can be expected. Now, see, stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading extremely bearish at -4, and if you look at the RSI, this is looking down and almost trading at bottom. Now, look at 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour chart, see, after the retracement, this is the first red candle. There is a probability that second red candle can be seen. Now, see, first part is a sell at 2008 can be taken, but then 2004 first target and 1998 second target should be a very good support levels on the downside. Now, if you look at, see, this is the breakout here. Now, 2015 levels, if it passes by, see this, I will recommend you to buy here. Once it passes by 2015, rather I'll say 2016 levels, you can buy. Specifically wait for it to break past 2020 levels. Beyond 2020, it is a good buy for 2025 and plus levels. Now see, stochastic here is oversold on the 2 hour charts. The MACD is still divergent. It is still bearish. It is looking down. It can continue to drop further. Depends what market is looking forward to. Right now, we will see on the other time frames what it is looking forward to. RSI is looking down. Now on the 3 hour charts too, you can find, see, double top here at 2018, then first red candle. See, this bearish candle tried to breach below the Bollinger Bands, failing to do so. It is giving it a very good support, and hence, as I said, 2008, yes, if it drops below, we can see further bearishness here. So rather, for the day 2008 and 2018 is the level between which you should not take any trade. See, stochastic here is oversold, which means that there could be a probable bounce back. MACD bearish, RSI at bottom, and if you look at 4 hour charts, similar is the observation here on the 4 hour charts as well. But see, the moving averages have started to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is trading below 2050 100 period moving average on the 4 hour charts, which is a bearish sign. Now look at 4 hour charts more closely. You will observe, See the rise, retracement. This is still higher lows here. Now this time it has breached this channel here, and see this is the support at 1980. First thing is, if it stays below 2008, 2004 is the next target, 1998 the next, and below that only accelerated bearishness will be seen. Else there is a very strong probability of a reversal. Stochastic is oversold, MACD is still bearish, RSI at bottom, and on the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, 20 period moving average has given it a support. It is trading below the 20 period exponential moving average also. Now as I see, this 2008-2012 zone is something which we need to be cautious of. Now on the daily charts, already the candle has turned red, lower lows are done, and that is why I say let this candle turn green here at 2018, and then there is a probability that 2024-25 levels, and in fact beyond levels till towards 2030-2036 can be seen if it reverses completely. Stochastic looking down, MACD again trying to cross over for a sell, RSI is also trying to trade bearish. Considering this, in between 2008 and 2018, do not take any trade. On the upside, be watchful of 2024-25 first target, then 2030 and 2036 as the next targets. On the downside, be careful of 2004-2005, below that 1998, and if it draws below 1998, further bearishness is going to prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group, where you can trade as per the signals, and definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see 2420. This is once again a very good support level. Now it is going to be the resistance, and hence once you see silver trading above 2420, you can buy for 2440 and then 2460 levels. Remember, right now silver is struggling at $24 levels, which is certainly a very good support. I'll tell you why. Now see, in the daily charts I'll tell you why 24 is a good support. Now see, stochastic on the hourly charts is at bottom, and MACD is also seen at bottom here. It has seen minus 30 levels. This is extremes here, and there is a very strong probability that it can reverse from here. RSI is also extremely oversold, and hence a little rise cannot be denied. But this little rise, whether it is going to break past or take it beyond 2420 levels, that is something we need to see. Now look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, firstly, see, after consolidation, first red candle, and this time it is trying to pull back, and if it breaks past 2420, certainly it's a very good buy. Now if you look at moving average, all trading with divergence, this is certainly bearish here, and if it trades above 2420, there is a very good probability that 2440, 2460 zones should be seen. Now stochastic again extremely oversold, and hence a pullback cannot be denied. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is extremely oversold, and hence a pullback cannot be denied here. Look at 3-hour charts. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, possibility of a reversal exists from here. Stochastic here is also oversold. MACD is also extremely bearish. RSI is also extremely oversold. This calls for a potential pullback. Now look at 4-hour charts. See, it is trading consistently outside Bollinger Bands. Now Bollinger Bands have expanded, but yes, this also brings a opportunity that silver may retrace a little on the upside. Now you can see this 2450, 2460. This is the zone which I will be looking forward for it if it continues to retrace on the upside, which is going to be a very good resistance. Stochastic here is oversold. MACD here is bearish. RSI is extremely oversold. Everything is oversold, and this calls for a probable pull. Also, if you see, now see this candle has traded in red. This candle is trading outside Bollinger Bands. Now when it starts from here, goes outside, it gets a pullback on the within the Bollinger Bands. Now it is outside Bollinger Bands, and hence chances of it to get into Bollinger Bands exist, which means 24, 40, 60 cannot be denied. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 2420 and sell at 2390 levels. In between this, 30 cents today. Do not trade, or rather those who want to risk a little can buy now itself, which might lead to a target of 24.20, 24.40, 24.50 and 60. Still 60, it has got very good resistance there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch and signal channel. Remember, if it drops below 23.90, I will wait for 23.80, 23.50 levels to be seen. And below 23.90, 23.80, certainly more bearishness will prevail, and hence take your trades accordingly. Join my mentorship batch and signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.